Lot number 3553A, 2007 Kawasaki STX 12F. 4-stroke. It's got 194 hours on the gauge. We're parting this machine out. If you need parts off this machine, give Mardo's Motorsports a call at 218-844-4968. Video date 8/22 of 2018. As you can tell, it's a Minnesota freshwater boat. All the parts are super clean. The hood's already been sold. The gauge is still available. Seats will clean up. The jet pump is gone and been sold already. The rear step ladder is still there, and all the internal components underneath the seat are still there. Take the seat off. As you can tell, it's partially disassembled in the engine and compartment. From what we know, the engine has got low compression. As you can tell, everything is super clean on the inside. The number 1 exhaust can is really nice. Exhaust manifold looks to be good. So on and so forth. There's our banner up there. You can call that number. Thanks for stopping by.